Hi, this is Scoggett, and today what I'm doing is I'm doing a shout out video, a shout out to a little small channel out there that's just getting started, and I like to promote these little small channels so they can get some more viewers and subscribers. And the channel what I'm speaking of is Mike Montoya SMOKIN Mary's RACK BBQ. And I'd like for all you viewers and subscribers out there to check out the channel. This guy has got some great barbecue on it. It's really amazing. He made a rack of ribs, and he's really creative. Guy made the rack of ribs, and he marinated the ribs in Big Red soda pop. That's one of my favorites. And he also made like a hot tamale candy barbecue sauce glaze, which, oh man, I tell you what, it sounds great. I mean, it sounds great, and I'm sure that wish I could have tasted it. And he does chicken, he does all kinds of good recipes, and I'd like for you to check them out. I ran across this channel by accident today as I was making a comment on my good friend Mick Cotton barbecue. And shout out to you also, Mick Cotton. You got some good stuff there also. But anyway, I was making the comment, and I saw that Mike Montoya had made a comment, so I said, I'm going to check out his channel. And I am glad I did, because his channel is really, really good, and makes some excellent videos. And just would like for all you viewers and subscribers out there to check him out, help build up his channel. And Mike Montoya, want to give you the Tornado Alley, Texas, West Texas Lone Star salute for being a really good channel. So, got my seal of approval. And this is Scoggett, and I appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. Check out his channel, and y'all take care.